Honoured regimental mascots, goats marched at the head of the Royal Welsh Fusiliers for more than 200 years and continue to do so with the Royal Welsh. These days it's Shenkin who takes the limelight with the regiment. But becoming a statue is something he won't have considered. But Shenkin and his predecessors, together with the men who served, are being honoured with a statue. It's been sculpted by Nick Elphick, and the plan is for it to be placed outside Hightown Barracks in Wrexham, which has historic links with the regiment. The sculpture itself has now been completed in clay and will go away to be bronzed. Nick says it's been an honour.
This one is, I think, for me, one of my most important commissions. These, especially looking at these people that gave their lives, and still give their lives to this country to protect us, and I just think it's so important to remember these people, in such a beautiful way. And these goats, they're very, very powerful, very, very self-willed animals, and that's a big reason why I think the Welsh Fusiliers use them, and they're just a real symbol of strength. It's just all those little
It's got
touches.
attitude, hasn't it? That's what I think.
Attitude.
Definite attitude.
He's got his chin up, and he's got the wind blowing. And
it almost says I'm trouble.
Yeah, exactly.
And very much on the Great Orme goats.
Yeah,
your neighbours.
Yeah, I literally went up on the Orme and took hundreds and hundreds of photographs and had this connection with how they connected with each other as well, and the males especially, how they sort of look so proud. And I took lots and lots of photos.
Got the job. It looks great. What proved most nerve-wracking was presenting the finished statue to former members of the regiment.
And they all turn up, and big bus, the council and them, and one of their PR people taking photographs. I was literally feeling so physically sick, I was shaking. And they came in, and I just, that sort of wow. They were all like, wow, and I just saw this sort of sense of pride in them all. And then they started giving me photographs of them when they were younger, and I said, Christ, and they actually looked like him, And I was just like, and they were genuinely really, really proud. I couldn't believe it.
The plan is that the statue can be put in place and unveiled on St David's Day. Nick hopes the statue will become a much-loved part of the town and a permanent symbol of the honour and regard the men and women who have and continue to serve their country are held. And of course, not forgetting the generations of goats who've led them on parade. Ian Lang, ITV News, Llandudno.